The idea for this process came about from when I was doom scrolling. When my son was 2 years old, I was just thinking about the impact of climate change on his life. And I thought, well, we need to figure out how to pull carbon dioxide out of the sky. And I thought, well, what does the Earth do? And one of the processes that I came across was whiting events. These are events that happen in lakes and oceans when calcium carbonate precipitates in little bits into the water and it changes the color of the water, whitening it. Sequest Star is the name of our team and the name of the biomanufacturing process that we're trying to create. We're trying to sequester that carbon dioxide using microalgae and make calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a mineral. It's in your milk. It's in any calcium fortified food. It's in your toothpaste. It's in paint. It's in paper. It's in plastics. It's all around us.
I thought it was fascinating that calcium carbonate could be made by something in nature. You know, here we are, we're mining it and pulling it up out of the ground when Mother Nature can actually produce it. The process, the way it works is the algae essentially has to raise up to a certain density and level. And what it does is it raises the pH.
The strain that we isolate is called BR1. It was isolated from the Back River in Baltimore. Belongs to a species called Synodesmus oblicate, which is very good for carbon sequestration.
We're trying to use our superstar microalgae plus the waste streams from desalination plants to create products that have a low carbon footprint for multiple industries. And if we can make calcium carbonate carbon negative, then all these products that we use could actually help take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere instead of emitting carbon into it.
We want this technology to sequester carbon. To make that possible, we want to make products that are valuable to other users, which will help offset these costs. We approach this in a much more kind of cooperative spirit of we're working on this together. We trust that you're interested in using materials that are better for the environment. How can we do that together?
We need multiple technologies that integrate well, don't harm the environment, and really support humans at the same time. And it's going to take a lot of different people to pull that together.
This is a perfect team that we put together, people with different expertise.
There's folks coming from all different backgrounds. Each of these people brings a kind of special skill to the project.
The more I got to work with these teams and see the creativity, it gave me a level of hope I didn't have before joining this team.
I think we all have this fundamental recognition that this needs to happen. Future generations, not just us, but our children and our children's children, really their lives will be defined by what happens to our atmosphere. It is what inspires our team.